In this lecture, we will see how we can model the walls. So first of all, if you want to model the wall, what you can do here is that you need to change the reference line location. As you can see that the wall tool is selected, and I'm going to change this reference line location to center line. Okay, and then after that you have to select this grid here, that is, let's click on this one. And after that you have, right now I have currently selected the D1, as you can see here, D1. Let's go to this, that is, let's go to D6 and let's click here. After that you have to again click in this region, and let's take your mouse cursor to F6. Okay, this is F6, so let's again click here, and again what you have to do is again you have to click here. As you can see here that our walls are drawn at the center line. Just simply click here, again click at this grill, and after that you have to click here. So in this way you have to model the wall. As you can see here that we have successfully modeled our wall without any kind of problem, as you can see here, just like that. So okay, so now that we have modeled the wall, what we're going to do next is we will model a wall in this region. Okay, so let's zoom in this region and let's model the wall. So for that, what I will do is I will go to this. Right now I have currently selected the wall tool. So let's enter Control T, and here what I will do is I will decrease this thickness to 150 mm. Okay, let's hit enter. And what I will do is I will just select this point here, or you can just go ahead with this one. Let's first of all let's select this one and take your mouse cursor. So right now you can see that the wall is, we are drawing is from center to center. So what I will do is I will go ahead and click on the outside face. So right now if you look here, you will see that the wall is getting drawn from this outside face. So this is exactly that I don't want. I want this, you can see the wall is from this side. So what I will do is I will flip this one by just clicking on that one, and now you can see the wall is, the reference line is going on that side. Okay, as you can see here, let's enter P to, you can see as I'm pressing P, the wall this one is getting changed, as you can see here. So now that we have understand this thing, what I will do is I will press escape, and now we have set the outside face. Let's click here, and now you can see that we are successfully modeled this wall in this inward direction. So again what I will do is I will click on, so again you have to click here and let's enter the distance. Okay, so what I will do is I will enter the distance, let's state 2200. Let's hit enter. Now that we are in this region, after that what I will do is I will simply click here, and again I will draw a wall and make it like this. So if you look here carefully, you will see that right now these walls are, let's go to the arrow tool, and you can see that these walls are not joined to each other. So in that case, if you click on this one and if you click on this wall, you will see that the face, these lines and this line is not connected. So you just simply need to click and drag it like this up to this region to make this one unit. And again if you notice, you will see that this wall has been connected. So if you are getting this kind of problem, you can just simply connect that wall as well. Or also what you can do here is that, let me press Ctrl V. So right now you can see that these walls are not joined. So I will select this wall and shift and select this wall, and after that at this region you will see the intersection option. So if you click on that one, even after that you can just make that intersection, you can join this wall. So now that we are done with this part, we will again go to this wall. Okay,